Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I will guide you for footing steel structure design. If you want to build your house and you don't know what should be the size of footing for normal residential building up to 4-story, up to 4-story. So what should be the size inside, steel reinforcement, etc. So this is the topic for today. If you are new on this channel, so you may like this video and subscribe the channel for more civil engineering updates. Okay. If you see guys, this is footing. So size of footing up to 4-story residential building, not for commercial building. It should not be less than 1.5 meter by 1.5 meter. You can say this is about 5 feet by 5 feet for normal residential building up to 4-story. This is very important to know about this special point. Next guys, here if you see we have main bars and distribution bars. Remember the size of the bar inside steel reinforcement etc should be inside this. So keep the spacing of main bars and distribution bars. This spacing guys you can see. Okay, it should not be less than it should not be more than 6 inches center to center for both ways. Okay, for both direction you can say main bars and distribution bars. So use double mesh for 4-story. If you are using up to 3-story or for 2-story, use single mesh. And for 4-story, double mesh. This is very important to know about this point. Next guys, what should be the size of the footing? Okay, so the size of the footing for normal residential building up to 4-story, as I discussed here, 1.5 by 1.5 meter. So 1.5 meter by 1.5 meter. This is size of footing. Next guys, what should be the depth of footing? The depth of footing should not be less than, it should not be less than 1.3 meter. Okay. And also you can keep or you can include the plinth level. So the plinth level normally you can keep up to 0.6 meter plinth level. Next, size or diameter of longitudinal bar. So use 12 millimeter die of steel rod. Use 12 millimeter with the spacing of 6 inches center to center, right? The next one guys, you can see clearly spacing as we discussed before, 6 inches center to center, or you can say 0.15 meter center to center. This is the other point, or you can say 15 centimeter, which is equal 6 inches. Next, depth of the bed. What is depth of the bed? Let me make it section guys. You can see this is the section for this footing. So here this is bed depth, and the bed depth should not be more than 0.3 meter, or you can say 30 centimeter. What is bed depth? So let me guide you for the bed depth. So this is bed depth. Inside this we have a steel reinforcement, same like this. So these are steel reinforcement. So this is called bed depth, which thickness or depth you can keep up to 0.3 meter, or you can say 30 centimeter or 12 inches. It should not be more than. So guys, this is called bed depth, which should be 30 centimeter or 0.3 meter. Next guys, grade of concrete. So use M20 grade of concrete. M20 grade concrete for normal residential building up to 4-story. Why not? Which ratio is 1 ratio 2 ratio, sorry 3 ratio 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 3. So this is a grade of 20. Next, thickness of PCC guys, as I discussed before, this one before placing of bed depth. Okay, it should not be more than 3 inches, or you can say 75 millimeter, or you can say 0 or you can say normally 75 millimeter. Okay. Next, grade of steel. So use 40 grade. So guys, this is a short video about steel reinforcement details or footing steel structure design inside steel reinforcement up to 4-story, as I discussed some important points. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.